So hello everyone, welcome to this discussion. So today we are going to discuss one of the biggest shift that is happening in enterprise digital transformation, that evolution of content management system. So I'm host Prem, and with me joining Sourav, senior Sitecore and XM Cloud and Headless CMS expert, and I use Sanity CMS and AI developer, and Kasip Umbrako CMS developer, and Ravinder Stapi CMS developer.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello.
So, yeah, hello.
Mm.
So, traditional CMS platforms are no longer just a publishing website. So today, the enterprise CMS platform are becoming AI-powered content hub that support the personalized experience, omni-channel deliveries, and content operation. We can say like AI content operation and business growth. So, Saurabh, I will start with you.
Okay.
So, why are the enterprises moving to the headless CMS? So, if you can tell us something about the headless CMS.
Yeah, sure. Traditional CMS platforms tightly coupled content with presentation, making it difficult to scale across multiple channels. Headless CMS separates content from the front end through APIs, allowing organization to deliver content consistently across website, mobile apps, kiosks, digital signage, AI assistant, and future digital channels. And platform like Sitecore XM Cloud also provide personalization, enterprise governance, AI capabilities, and a scalable cloud architecture. This helping organization innovate much faster. Now, I will show you how to create a template Sitecore headless page from scratch. In this way, we will cover template creation, rendering setup, data source configuration, page creation, and finally connect everything with the front end application. So let's get started. So let me share my screen.
Okay, you can share. Let me stop sharing from my side.
Okay,
Yeah,
thanks.
you can share.
Yeah. So, oh yeah, is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Show this
Yes,
Sitecore XP
visible.
dashboard. After login, you can navigate to desktop. Show Sitecore XP dashboard logins so that I can show you my websites I have developed. This is the restaurant websites developed in Sitecore XM Cloud with Sitecore JSS and frontend for Next.js. So this is the hero components. Now it is about us. The service sections, the feedback section, see the promo section, and this is the team section, and next one is this is the booking table section. From here to book a tables, and this is the FAQ section, and and last one is the footer section. And different pages have developed like about us, services, teams, FAQ. So now I'm showing how to create a templates, and I'm showing the structure of templates. So just go to inside the templates and navigate and find the features folder. Inside the features, navigate headless site. Inside the headless site, just go to create a custom folder. I have created a Sitecore JSS app. Inside the Sitecore JSS app, we have created multiple templates as per my requirement. Suppose you have to create a template for hero banner. Yeah, I am open the hero banner templates. Yeah. So here's the hero banner templates. Inside these templates, I've defined different fields like title, image, description, and it says data types. For title, single line text; for image data types; and description for long text, rich text. So this is the templates. Now, now let's next see to the rendering components. Inside the layouts, just go to inside the renderings. Inside the renderings, find features. Inside the features, navigate headlet site. Inside the headlet site, uh, Sitecore JSS app. I have created a custom folder. Inside this folder, I have created all the rendering components. Like suppose you want to create a hero banner rendering components, so just right click on this folder and select insert and choose create your rendering components. After creating the rendering components, need to configure some like uh, data source location and data source templates. Now, now next move on how to create items and how to create item assign the rendering components to the items. So just goes to inside your site. My site name is Sitecore JSS app, and you can see I have created a multiple pages like home, about us, services, team, FAQ. So you can choose any one of the items. So I have select home, and after go to the presentation tab and then details, and now you can click on final layout tab. Now you can see I have assigned multiple rendering components on the home items, home, about, service, and different and other components. Now, suppose you want to add the data source. So select any one of the components, suppose hero component, click on the edit button, and from here you can choose the data source. Yeah, sure. So yeah. So now let's move to the front end side to how to implement these components in the front end sides. So yeah. So I have already created different components. Suppose like I created header components, and all the header components data fetches from Sitecore headless side using the GraphQL query. So I can show you what's the syntax of GraphQL query. So you can see my screen. So here is the GraphQL query. In GraphQL query, you can need to pass the item path and language, in which language you want to get the data and what type of parameters we want to. Yeah. So after getting, you can implement in the component sections. Yeah. After done refreshing the application, so you can see the page rendered successfully. Yeah. So this demonstrates the power of Sitecore headless architecture. So in just a few minutes, you have created a complete Sitecore headless page from templates and rendering to data source items and front-end implementation. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, Saurabh, showing us the Sitecore headless and explaining us how we create component. So
So,
next we'll move to the headless platforms. So I will ask you, Ayush, like now AI is becoming part of the every enterprise platform. So how AI changing the content operations? So you recently implemented the Sanity Headless CMS. So I mean, if you can tell us something about it.
AI is transforming content operations beyond content generation. Organizations are using AI for content summarization, metadata creation, translation, semantic search, knowledge retrieval, AI assistance, and overflow automation. We also implemented AI-powered knowledge bases MCP service that enables AI assistants to retrieve accurate enterprise content securely. The future of CMS is intelligent content operation, not simply publishing pages. Now, can I share my screen?
Yeah.
yeah.
You can share.
Yes, Ayush, you can say.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So here we are in the Sanity Studio. So here all the data are not like what you see is what you get. Like all the information here, all the data here are in a structured way. You can see field name. It in a JSON format. You can see from here. It is in a JSON format, which AI understand completely. So like we recently moved our website into Hindi format also. So for that we need a proper migration to update our pages from Hindi to Hindi, English to Hindi. So using AI, this problem has been solved. Like we choose a page, like we choose about us page. We choose English page. We have ready English page. Suppose this is our about us page. Now we want to translate this page in Hindi. So if we try to do it manually, it takes too much time. So with AI, we can do it quickly. Like just we click on translation, click on Hindi. This will create a Hindi document for the same page. So now we will go to Hindi. Now here it just create a copy of the English document. Here is only English data. But when you use AI assist, translate document to natural Hindi, this will translate the page into Hindi. It is taking time. You can see.
Yeah.
In metadata, most of it protect. This is in English because we tell our AI that this most of it protect, like this will not be translated, so that this will in our SEO. We also configure which field will be translated here. Like this is our AI assist manage instruction. This is our prompt, and this is our allowed field. The fields which are allowed, only that part will be translated. Otherwise, nothing will. Other than this, nothing will translate. So, like the link part, the image part, this does not meant to be translated. So that's how we implemented AI in our Sanity Studio. That's from my side. Thank you.
Okay. Uh, yeah, thank you, Ayush. But I will request you one more thing. Last time we implemented Geo and AEO, right?
Yes,
So if
yes,
you can just show that one as well, and so maybe if I can explain a little bit about this. I mean now, I mean before this Geo and AEO, I mean the website ranking were based on the ASEO. So search engine understand the marketing website and the pages. That was we used to configure the ASEO, but when now because of the AI and the AI models and the AI like ChatGPT or Gemini or the many AIs, so those are now quickly accessing. I mean, when user like a ChatGPT platform goes and attach something, generate some content, so those usually collect data from the pages from the internet. So now, I mean, when you and they take actually from the internet the data. So now, when you are implementing the Geo or AEO, so what it happens like, uh, uh, it might be reading your data from your website. So when you configure the Geo and AEO, so maybe Ice, you can so like how we have configured and what are the fields we have configured in the this headless CMS system.
yes.
Yeah.
So,
So now, yeah. So now it's very very mandatory to be have if you want your website marketing website to be ranking not only the SEO but only on the chat. I mean the AI chatbot or maybe the chat in the chat like ChatGPT or maybe Gemini or maybe other ChatGPT type platforms. So you must be configuring the Geo and AEO. So we have configured in our website and it's properly working. So you can show that how we have implemented what are the the schema and the field we have defined for the Geo and the AEO.
okay. So
Yeah.
just like our SEO, we need a side map for our website, which tells the SEO that how many pages we have. Just like that for AI, we have three pages. One is llms.txt, another one is full.txt, and an AI content set. So for this, Yes. So this is our schema where we find AI summary, which will summarize the page. Okay, like we are in about page. So this is our summary of that page. Okay, this will the key facts. Okay, that this about the page, the facts, the questions, just like what services do you provide? Do Microsoft, do Microsoft Protect provide like this? And the direct answers which will include both question and answer, just like FAQ. Okay. And this is service area. It will define the area where this page is related to, just like global, India, Ranchi, Jharkhand. And this is the target audience, which will say if this page is for startups, hospitals, manufacturing. Okay. This is primary entity. It's like one line, one paragraph of the page. And this tells schema type. This is for the our sanity, not for the AI, which will tell which type of page this is. Okay, like a article page, a service page, a local business, web posting, job posting. Okay, and this is the last review. This is for again for sanity, sanity. Okay, so these are the fields we added for the GEO and SEO. Now it is implemented on our website. Just like, for example, Murmusa Infotech, this is our website. And for our website, we have our sitemap. Okay. So this sitemap carry all the pages of the website. Either it is dynamic or static. Just like we have our LLM.txt. This carry the all pages information here, like the summary and all, which I defined, which I tell you earlier, but not the full. It only tells the summary and the questions. But for the full knowledge base, this is our full. Like this is the our website summary. This is our address, location, and this all core services are categorized into the schema type. Okay, and according to that, it has its URL. And just like that, we have our last part, that is plus AI content. Okay. So this page is in JSON format, which AI understand completely and better. Okay, we will the AI understand this file completely and tells the LLM that what our pages are, what they are for, and what and who will need them. So like this, we are implemented our GEO and GEO and AEO implementation in our website.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much to explain like the importance and features of and how we have implemented the GEO and AEO. Okay. So thank you very much. So next we move to the Umbraco CMS. So Kasif, I will ask you about the Umbraco CMS. So I mean, where does the Umbraco fit into the enterprise digital transformation? So if you can just explain us the architecture and how it looks like and how you're working on current project on GraphQL CMS.
Yeah. Umbraco offers an excellent balance between flexibility and enterprise capability. For organization already invested in Microsoft technologies, it integrates naturally with .NET, Azure, enterprise authentications, and custom business systems. It enables content editors to work efficiently while allowing developer to build secure, scalable, and highly customized digital platforms. For many mediums and enterprise organizations, I think it's an excellent choice for long-term digital initiatives. Uh, I will share you my screen.
Okay, I'm just stopping from my end.
Is it visible?
Yeah, video.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is our Umbraco platform. So before talking about this, I'm sharing my .NET project. So this is this is my .NET project. So it's based on clean architecture. So we just created here a folder OCA Umbraco CMS, and we have installed Umbraco here. So after installation, it automatically set up the environment here. This is our Umbraco platform. So when you run the project, so it will show you this platform. So after login, you will see this these features here. So before using the content, we have to create the document types like pages. So in setting, you will see a document types. So inside this, you have to create the pages, which we call document type. So as you can see, I have created a page, contact us. So this is our contact us page. So here you have to name the contact page. Then these are the fields you have to create from, from this. Like here, if you take the add property, you have to name the property. Then the data types are selected by you. So after submit, you will get the property here. So in this page, you have these features also. So structure, setting. So after creating the page, you have to allow this button. So allow I to, then it will show you this page option on content. So and then here the template. So here we have to bind the template with the page. So before binding, I will share you the template. So this is a template. So you have to create a template for page from here. When you click here, so here the option given for the creating template. So you have to name the template here. Then after save, the template is created. As you can see, I have created 3 or 4 templates here already. So after create template, so you have to bind this template from this template options. So when you choose it, I'll show you the template options. So after binding it, you can save from here. After this setup, you have to go on content tab. So here also you can see the options. So here we have to create template. So when you click template, it will show you the option for which page you have to create template. After selecting, the template is created, content is created here. Then from this info button to choose your template. After choosing template, you will see the fields you have created here. So here anyone can add the contents, like we have added here image, contact us, features, mission groups, details, address, phone numbers. So after filling these content, you have to click on save and publish. Then this content are published on your server. So you can use this as a REST API, or you can also host this content from on Racker side. So that's it. That's it for all.
Okay. Thank you, Kasip. Thank you very much to explaining us the Umbraco CMS and the current project you are working. Then next, we talk about the Strapi CMS. So for that, I will move to Ravinder. So Ravinder, the Strapi has become popular globally. So I'm going to ask you like why. And so if you can explain us about the Strapi CMS and the project we recently built using the Strapi CMS. Yeah.
Strapi is a API first and developer friendly organization building composable architecture. Appreciate its flexibility. It works seamlessly with React, Next.js, Angular, and mobile application and AI services. Because it open source organization can customize content models, API workflow, and integration while maintaining complete ownership of their platform. So let me share my screen so we can see the CMS site. Wait a minute.
Yeah, you can share, buddy.
Is it a screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as you can see, this is the website I have built using in backend for we are using Strapi CMS. So let's go fast in the Strapi CMS. So I have to log in. Yeah, this is I have all logged in the CMS Strapi. So here is a module. First, let's content management. What is this? From here, we can manage all content. Like we have to create fast content type builder. If we are creating any pages, any component, like we have like this is the hero section. For this hero section, we have created a hero section single type. Here is a three types of content builder. We have like a content collection type and single types and component. For if we are using single type section like a hero section, for that we have to create single type collection. And if we are using like a products, multiple products, so for that we have to use collection type. So I have created hero section. For this, we have choose this field. Like let's create one single type. I'm going to name this website setting. So we can choose here field. What field we want to add, like for title, we can choose text. For image, we can choose media. And also we can make relation with the another component. We have already component section also. Set component we can use. So I have already created. So let's see how we can manage. Yeah, this is content section. From here we can manage. So let's go in the hero section, and this is the content we can see in the front end side. If we are editing here, after edit we have to publish. So you can see reflected. Next, let's go ahead. This is the media library where we can store media, and content type builder we have already seen. This is the deployment for the if we want to deploy using the Strapi for that. This is the marketplace. Here is plugin available for if we are using any types of plugin like a GraphQL, NodeMailer, or we can download from here. So how I integrated the front end side, let's see. For API endpoint, we have get here API from here I have get API. When searching hero section, yeah, this is the API endpoint, as you can see. So let's see how we can get response. I have implemented this in the front end side in Next.js. So yeah, this is the Next.js code. I have called that API for hero section. Yeah, and I am passing here data from the API. So this is the complete walkthrough of the Strapi CMS from my side. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ravinder. Thank you for showing us the strategy and you implemented on the one of the project. So thank you very much. So Saurabh, I will come again to you. So because now in Sitecore AI or XM Cloud, so what is the role play of AI in the Sitecore AI or Sitecore XM Cloud? You see.
Yeah, AI is becoming central to enterprise digital experiences. Sitecore AI helps organizations create brand aware content, improve content quality, support multilingual publishing, optimize search experience, and maintain consistency through enterprise guardrails. Combined with personalizations, analytics, and headless architecture, organization can deliver a smarter and more relevant customer experience at a scale. Yeah. So now let's see how to MCP connect connect with Sitecore to create intelligent AI powered digital experiences. So now let me share my screen.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. So yeah, I think my screen is visible.
Yeah, visible.
Okay. So, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. So, it is open standard that allow AI models to secure communicate with enterprise system APIs to and tools. Instead of building custom integration for every AI use case, MCP provides a standardized way of AI agents to assess and interact with business application. So, when we integrate MCP with Sitecore AI, so that it can directly interact with Sitecore content, templates, components, pages, and digital assets. For example, AI agent can create Sitecore content items, generate page components, configure data sources, build page structures, and retrieve content through GraphQL APIs, and even automate publishing workflows. So this reduces manually effort and improve authoring and authoring productivity. Yeah, just imagine asking an AI assistant create a healthcare landing page with a hero banner and call to action section. So the AI communicates with the MCP server, which then interacts with Sitecore APIs to create templates, content items, rendering, and page automatically. There, the front-end application immediately display the newly created contents. So you need to just configure the some steps. First, we need to create a files like mcp.json inside the .bs code. Just go to navigate the .bs code folder, and inside the bs code, you need to create a file mcp.json. In mcp.json, you need to configure like GraphQL endpoints, GraphQL API key, your item service server URL, uh, service username, and password. That's it. After the configurations, you just start your MCP server and go to chat, and you can ask to create the templates and other requests. So yeah, so the MCP acts as a bridge between AI and Sitecore, enabling intelligent content creation, automation, and personalization. So that this combination represents the future of AI powered digital experience platforms. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Thank you, Saurabh. Thank you explaining us about the Sitecore, Sitecore CMS and role of AI in the Sitecore CMS and its content operation. And yeah, so thank you very much. So let me share it back my screen. So technology is evolving rapidly, but choosing the right CMS is not about the selecting a most popular platform. It's about choosing the platform that aligns with your business goal, customer experience, strategy, and AI roadmap, long-term scalability, right? So whether it is a Sitecore XM Cloud, Sanity, CMS, Umbraco, or Strapi CMS, modern CMS platforms are becoming the strategic business asset, not just a website management tool. So if your organization is evaluating the enterprise CMS platform, planning a migration or adopting headless architecture, or integrating AI into the content operation, we would happy to share our experience and discuss the approach for your business. So thank you for watching us, and we look forward to watch us again in our next technology discussion. So thank you, team. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you, everyone.
thanks. Yeah.